Behind every successful organization is a structure that supports projects, programs, and portfolios all running in sync. But what keeps it all working smoothly? The answer is P3O, a proven framework designed to help organizations manage change and deliver value efficiently. In this short video, we'll explain what P3O is, how it works, and why it's essential for modern project management. What is P3O? P3O stands for Portfolio, Program, and Project Offices. Developed by PeopleCert, it is a globally recognized framework that supports organizations in establishing the right structures, roles, and processes to manage change effectively. By enabling smarter decision-making, clear prioritization, and aligned delivery, P3O ensures that projects and programs are run with purpose, coordination, and measurable impact. Why does P3O matter? Without a clear structure, teams work in silos, priorities clash, and progress stalls. Aligning projects with business strategy, improving resource and risk management, enabling consistent, informed decision-making. It's especially useful in large or fast-moving organizations where coordination is key. How does it work? A portfolio office for strategic oversight, program offices for major initiatives, project offices for day-to-day delivery support. It provides best practices for reporting, communication, and benefits tracking, keeping everything on course. P3O isn't just support, it's the backbone of successful change. Want to deliver projects with more clarity and control? Then it's time to explore P3O. Like this video, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy, and comment below with your questions. Let's build smarter project environments together.